Hello guys, this is George Punjat and with Mari State, and today I would like to show you how you can install Octave, it's one of the very good software to have and work with. It's an open source software, and we can. It's very similar with MATLAB. As a matter of fact, it's portable. More whatever you write in Octave, the code can be run under MATLAB also without you making any modifications for most of the code. I'm saying more than 95% of the code. So the way we do it is you can open your browsers and you type it Octave download, and after that you can see there are several of them. The official one is gonna be here, GNU Octave. That's what we have, and you guys can see that we can if we click on that one, it will take us where we have different operating systems. Most of us run on the Microsoft Windows, but there are some people that use Mac OS, and of course computer engineer guys a lot of them are gonna use Linux. But this is how you can go if you're using Mac OS. You can go here, and there are the third party. You can use that for Mac, but I don't have a Mac, so that's why I just show a little bit. So the way that I think is very useful is to go to the Mac part where it will be the instructions here, and you guys can see them. One that are very important on the Mac is to use the bundle, the simplest way, and not the third party unless you prefer it. It's a little bit trickier in that way, but this will be simplest way to use for Octave 5.2.0 to use the bundle. So we will go under use. I'll show you, because most of the students are using under Windows. So we can go ahead and install. If we have a 64-bit machine, you can download that, or a 32 for older computers. So the first option is there. If we click it here, it's gonna be asking you where, for most of the computer, where to install it. So this is the installer. I already have it in here, so I will cancel this on, and you let it go to install, download it there, and then you can go back to that folder that you had it under, wherever you put it in that folder, and click on it, and you will start installing it. And you will ask this question, yes, and then it says that there is another version, which I did. So you would follow the installation, and we'll go ahead. So after you install it, when you're done, it will take about 3-4 minutes until we will install it. Then it will be the graphical user interface that will be here as an icon on the desktop. So you double click that one, and this is the IDE, the development environment, the interface. And what is very important for some of the toolboxes that you want to have, you can see that when it download and install it, install with some, what we call it, packages in Octave. That's a toolbox. So if we check to see what toolboxes we have, we can say the package list, pkj list, and enter, and it tells us what is the list that is on the machine installed in the bundle. Last night I did install this Arduino because it was not there. So the way we install it, if we go back in our browser, they can tell us how to install this, and I have to go one more step back to this. So you can see whenever we install a package, in that we can say package install negative sign, there will be a space between them, and package name. So I can copy this from here, so you can see what we are doing there. So we come here and you paste that there. Of course you need to put the name in. If we work with Arduino, you should put the name Arduino right here. So I have it already because I installed, and then you click enter and you'll start installing it. So I don't have the symbolic toolbox, and I did not see it here also, so it's a very good toolbox to have. So I will try to do that, so that install this toolbox symbolic. So click enter and it does the installation by itself, and it seems that it takes a while, and then it will let us know how we can do it. So there are many packages on the Forge, so that this is coming with them. This is the packages that we can find, like Arduino's there, so you guys can see other depends, finite element, fuzzy logic, financial packages that we might need, image analysis, image filtering, and something like this that will be there. There are different types of toolboxes that are open source and very useful. Let me see if it did. So you can see that it did install this, and right now it tells me that we can use it there. So this is a good way to install additional toolboxes just by clicking there, open the graphical interface. And if you want to see that it did perform, they were saying that on the to check if it performed well installation and everything, you type sombrero, so it will plot that image, that three-dimensional surface, and you can see that it is a 3D image that is called sombrero. So this is just for checking if your installation went well. I hope this helps very much. We'll come back to see what we can do with this toolbox, with this software, in additional tutorials. Hope you have a beautiful day.